This is the tallest animal in the world. If you thought it was a giraffe, then you'd be wrong, because these are actually its legs. That's right. The 5 animals in this video have the longest legs in the world, and some of them can even outrun you. Welcome back, everyone. I'm here, and let's get into the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks, but did you know their legs are just as tall? Their legs are around 6 feet tall, or about 2 meters. With legs that tall, no wonder they can reach all the way up to those delicious leaves at the tops of the trees. The main purpose for such long legs is so they can reach higher than any other animal. This helps them get food that no other animal can reach. Oh, but there is a downside. Because giraffes' legs are so tall, they're very hard to move. It takes lots of energy for them to lift up their heavy bodies and take a step, so they walk very slowly. It also makes them very graceful, though. They look like they're dancing when they walk, though they don't mind being slow. Sometimes they need to run from danger. And when they do, they can get up to speeds of 35 miles per hour or 56 kilometers per hour. When they're running, their legs move like a well-oiled machine, taking strong steps to keep up their momentum. These beautiful creatures are not only the tallest animals in the world, but also the slowest. But put them together, and you have a very interesting combo. Next on the list at No. 4, we have the ostrich. Ostriches are the fastest birds in the world. What better way to get fast than having long legs? They can run up to 43 miles per hour or 70 kilometers per hour. These birds were built for speed, and their long legs allow them to run very fast for short periods of time. Their legs are about 2.5 feet long, or 80 centimeters. They use their long legs to kick and beat their chest. This is how male ostriches attract a partner. Now, although they can run very fast, they aren't built for long distances. After a while, they start to slow down. They live on a hot continent where it gets really hot during the day, so to cool off, they will stick their legs out to try to feel the wind. If you ever see an ostrich, don't approach it. Even though they can't fly, they are still wild animals. And with their strong legs, they can kick you very hard. Imagine getting kicked by an ostrich. It would definitely hurt. Ostriches usually kick each other with their strong legs when they fight, but they aim for the other bird's chest. When fighting, they try to push the other bird off its feet. Ostriches don't like to be alone. They like to hang out in groups of 50 or more. So if you want to see one, make sure you bring enough friends. Next up on the list at No. 3, we have the red deer. These deer have huge antlers that they use to attract a mate. But did you know their legs are just as impressive? Red deer are found in Europe, Asia, and Africa. And although they look similar, each group is slightly different. In Europe, they have 4 large toes and 1 small dew claw. In Asia, they have 4 toes and 2 dew claws. And in Africa, they have 4 toes and 1 dew claw. Their legs help them jump over logs and fences in their habitat. And their long legs also help them outrun predators like wolves, foxes, and bears. Red deer are herbivores, meaning they eat plants and grass. They also like to eat fruit. They usually eat during the morning and evening, taking a break in the middle of the day to conserve energy. Their legs are approximately 4 feet long, or about 1.5 meters. When threatened, they stomp their feet and snort to scare off the predator. If that doesn't work, they will try to kick with their sharp hooves. Red deer are very good swimmers and will cross streams and rivers to find food. If you come across one of these majestic creatures in the forest, make sure to admire it from afar. Next on our list at No. 2, we have the elephant. Elephants are known for their big ears and tusks. But did you know their legs are also very impressive? An elephant's legs are about 5 feet tall or 1.6 meters, and they have rough gray skin. They use their legs to support their heavy body, which can weigh up to 13,000 pounds or 6,000 kilograms. An elephant's leg is made up of 4 main parts: the femur, tibia, fibula, and tarsals. These bones are connected by ligaments and tendons. At the top of each leg is a ball-shaped head that fits into a cup-like socket in the animal's body. This allows the elephants to move their legs in many different directions. The elephant's knee is similar to a human knee, but it's much stronger. The elephant's leg bones are very thick and strong, which allows them to support their weight and walk long distances. Elephants are one of the few mammals that can walk long distances without getting tired. They also have special pads on their feet that help them distribute their weight evenly. Elephants can walk up to 12 hours a day in search of food and water. They're also very good swimmers and can cross rivers and even oceans to find new habitats. Elephants are gentle giants, but they can be dangerous if they feel threatened. They can trample their enemies with their heavy feet, so if you're ever near an elephant, make sure to respect their space. And finally, at no one, we have the Titan beetle. Titan beetles are massive insects that live in the rainforests of South America. They get their name from the Greek Titan, which means something that's very big and strong. And that's exactly what these beetles are. They can grow up to 16.7 inches long, or 42 centimeters, and their legs are just as impressive. Their front legs are about 6 inches long, or 15 centimeters. They use their legs to move through the trees. They are excellent climbers and can scale trees very quickly. Titan beetles are active during the night and spend their days hiding in tree hollows. They are nocturnal predators and feed on other insects. They also eat fruit. Titan beetles are solitary creatures and only come together to mate. The female lays her eggs in a tree and then dies. The male digs a hole in the tree for the female to lay her eggs. Then he dies soon after. The eggs hatch into male and female Titan beetles who mate and then fly off to find new trees to lay their eggs in. Titan beetles are one of the most feared insects in the rainforest. They have sharp teeth and claws that they use to kill their prey. They are also very strong and can carry objects that are much larger than them, although they may look scary. Titan beetles are actually very shy. They will avoid humans if possible. But if you do come across one, don't try to touch it. Its teeth and claws can cause serious injury. The next time you're in the rainforest, keep an eye out for the mighty Titan beetle. It's truly a creature that's straight out of a nightmare. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe. See ya.